goat, rice. Fancy, ano? Oh, I don't see. Yeah. Egg. Oh, three, a lot. Man, so good. Delicious.
This one is cooking for us. This is our one.
I'm not sure my love na. I ask man. This by time man. By time, yeah. For my time. You make money a lot. One day, oh, people come and eat because man cook good and delicious.
This is just for one portion of bachar. It's a lot.
A lot. I think 3 or 4.
Yeah.
Get four. Yeah. Okay. With rice. Mong hai á. Bye ha.
And fast. Doesn't take long at all.
Yeah. Easy for her because long year before cook every day. Easy.
And for one portion of this, how much it costs?
$2.50.
It's $2 or $2.50
Yeah.
for some beautiful fried rice with prawns and seafood.
Not expensive. Good.
No, not expensive. It's very good, very good. Now what is
Star,
this?
yeah. Star. This is star.
Soy sauce,
Yeah. Salt. Sugar.
sugar.
Yeah.
This one,
This one. Salt with sugar and with Ajinomoto salad. And make
okay.
steak with cheese. Nice.
Now nearly finished.
Nearly finished.
Nearly finished. I think less than 5 minutes.
It take long time.
Oh, less than 5 minutes. This is
Because
fast,
this is
fast
one
food.
show you and cook and one rice.